This video is going to take you on how to draw bodies or human anatomy. It's going to take you through some easy and fast steps that I have learned over the years to try to get you in there drawing anatomy as quickly as possible. Help maybe do some shortcuts if you're already an existing artist, or if you're brand new, try to give you an introduction on how to start drawing the human body. So let's start out. First, we're going to start with the head. A head's usually just a basic shape because you want to be able to break things down into basic shapes. So it's more of like an upside down egg. Then you have your neck that comes below that. Then your chest can be a square or rectangle or whatever, how you want to do it. And then right in the middle through here off the neck coming down here would be your torso. And these little circles here are going to be your shoulder. And comes your upper arm. The upper arm, they're going to be about the same length and go about to the mid of the torso, or right where the rib cage ends. Then you're going to have the bottom part of the arm going into the hands, which we're just going to put as squares for now, and we'll do other videos about that. Then you have your waist, which is about here. And then you have your legs. About this, the upper thigh here is about the same length as the torso. And these are about the same length as your upper arm. And we're going to put the feet in. Now, all you have to do is kind of connect the dots. So, we kind of connect this here. We're going to leave some space. So once you've gotten your skeleton or stick figure all figured out in the shape, you can start drawing around it and use it as a template, or almost like a skeleton, to go ahead and draw in the rest of the base body. Now, I'm going to show you another way that you can do dynamic poses and kind of do something a little bit more what you're drawing than you normally would. So try also another technique you can do, and I do this all the time, is draw a square here. So what you're going to do is you're going to use, this is where your waist is going to be about, and this is where your head's going to be. This gives you a pattern of where you want to try to fit things in the box. If you really want to be advanced, you'd make the box kind of 3D like this. All right. This. And what you'll do is you'll put your head here in the box. Your chest will kind of be like in the box here. And then your arm will come down like this. And here's your waist, all in this area. Your legs come down from there. Kind of continuing this angle all the way down. We put the feet here. And you just kind of build up the drawing. You don't have to. So that kind of gives you a different angle. If you use a box like this, you could do it that way too. Now, my main way of doing, there's also when you're drawing ladies, you can use, well, think of a pillow. So if you think of a pillow, and you can even get a pillow if you have, I'm sure everybody has a pillow on their bed, you can basically draw a, like you pushed in a pillow. Use this as your template to draw. So this would be the hips in here. This could be the chest. This would be shoulder, Now this could apply to men too. You could do this as well. I'll fill those in. Those 3 separate ways you can do it. Now, you can mix and match these different ways, or you can decide how you want to make the picture look, and you can constantly tweak the way you do it. Now, me personally, I kind of do a mix of all 3, and whatever feels comfortable for you, go for it. So, pick up that pencil, grab some paper, try some different forms out, try maybe just doodling a few things while you're sitting around, just watching TV or, watching this video. Grab something, try some different forms and some different stick figures. And later on, we'll get into how to do the muscle groups and things like that, and how to do shapes, and how each part of the muscles work and flex and move, and what the next step will be, and we'll get into all kinds of other detailed things. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.